It's got a crank handle. We can go automatic.
There's a timer.
I'm guessing you put to make things. It's got like a little nipper. See the line? Can you see the line?
Mm-hmm.
So there's little nippers on there, plus pressure.
And this is adjustable here too for width.
You got height adjustment here and adjustable for width. I don't know what all this stuff does, but this is some kind of...
It's temperature. 100 degrees, 700 degrees.
Oh, okay.
It's temperature adjustment.
Your air pressures. Turn your heaters on and off. You got manual, clamp.